Right, people, this is the second car in 2 days that we have uncovered horrible truths about the vehicle. Now, we had a vehicle in yesterday, which I'll quickly just cut a video in, which was a 68 plate Nissan Micra that had only done 15,000 miles. The lady did buy it as a category S, but when we showed her how it had been repaired, she was very disappointed, because while she did know it was a category S vehicle, she bought it from a reputable garage, which she would expect them to have repaired it a lot better than they did. But I'll put the video in quickly now. I worked out why we've got problems here. The headlights are all broken and snapped and held together with a cable tie and screws. This has all been broke, no under tray, so it's definitely at the front end. Even this headlight, it's not even in the screw hole, it's been screwed in with wood screws. So this has definitely had a front impact. The airbox pipe's missing from there to here, that's missing as well. So at the moment, I think what we're going to need to do is get it on the ramp and just make sure the exhaust system's okay. But I'll let you know how we get on. Then moving on to this one. So this customer didn't know that it was a vehicle that was written off. Her husband went out and bought this vehicle. It's an ST line 1 litre Eco Boom, or Eco Boost, should I say. 2018. She bought the vehicle and I'll show you what we found on it so far. So it has come in with a battery light on. Usual story, battery light's on. It needs a battery, so a battery has been put on it. We've got wood screws holding in headlights. Same again down here, which is exactly what we had on the vehicle yesterday. We've got cable ties holding air pipes on. We have got cable ties holding brackets on down there. Can you see it? Yes, I'm sure you can. We have also got clips with down there with no pipes attached to it. We have got no under tray on this vehicle. That's all smashed in too. And then what I'll do, I'll show you what this looks like underneath. And remember, she did not know. Nobody disclosed to her that this was a category write-off car. So the importance of making sure you check these vehicles. But I'll show you underneath. Right, so now we've got the vehicle up in the air. Have a look at this. So, more wood screws holding in, well, not really holding in anything. Look at the paint job on this front end. Look at it. Look at that. Absolutely horrific. And then when we go underneath, right, look at these wires. Look, it's been not even attached. And this is for, if you look, that should be plugged into there, and that's for these flaps on the front. But look, nothing's clipped in. Absolutely everything's cable tied. Look at that. It's literally unbelievable. So, and like I say, she didn't even know this vehicle had been involved in an accident and written off. So she was not very happy. But, you know, importance of checking these vehicles, guys. That's 2 in 2 days.